Area of a trapezoid. Area of the trapezoid is equal to 1/2 times the height times the top and bottom, or 1/2 times h times a plus b. Now, the bases must be parallel, and the height connects the two bases, and the height must meet both bases at a right angle. So it'd be like this. These are formed as these are the two. This is a base and this is a base, and this would be our height. Now, parallel is when the two lines run equal distance apart without getting closer or farther away from each other. So this would be parallel as they run equally the same from side to side. Now let's look at an example. Example 1. Find the surface area of the trapezoid. So from our formula, we have 1/2 times our height times a plus b, which is our two bases. So for us to find this, we have 1/2. Now, this is our height here. This 4. As it runs, as it will meet both the bases and form a right angle. So we have times 4 times now a plus b, which are our two bases. So this can be equal to a and this can equal to b. So we have 4 plus 6. So let's go ahead and calculate this all out. So first thing we need to do is deal with our parentheses. So we have 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. So we have 1/2 times 4 times 10. So now we have 10, so we'll multiply it by 4. So we get 40, and then we'll divide it by 2, as it's multiplying it by 1/2, which is dividing it by 2. So we get 20. And then this is area, so it's units squared. Let's go ahead and look at another example. Example 2. Find the surface area of the trapezoid. Now, remember our formula is equal to 1/2 times our height times our two bases, so a plus b, that are added together. So our height is when it meets our two bases and forms right angles. So we can see a right angle here and a right angle here. So this 6 is our height of the trapezoid, as it's just kind of flipped on its side. Then, as it meets the two bases that run parallel, this could be A and this could be B. So let's go ahead and fill in our numbers into our variables. So we have 1/2 times 6 times A plus B, which is 5 plus 8. So this becomes 1/2 times 6 times 5 plus 8, which is 13. So we'll get our calculators out. So 6 times 13 is equal to 78, and then we divide it by 2, and we get 39 units squared.